can we go? Korean convenience store. Yeah. Bye. Hi. So let's eat this food.
Yeah! I like cacao crunch, you know?
Yeah.
I love it.
I love him too.
Yeah.
Very cute. So this is tteokbokki.
Yeah, instant food.
Yeah, instant.
I will make tteokbokki risotto. 리조또가 영어로 뭐야?
Risotto.
Yeah.
Risotto.
First, sauce.
Yeah, prepare sauce.
Yeah, and top, rice
Okay.
cake.
And then this 삼각김밥 shape triangle. 비빔밥 double 삼각김밥. And this is spam and tuna mayonnaise.
Yeah. And 또 도시락.
Oh, 도시락.
Food box.
Okay.
Food box.
We'll eat while making these tteokbokki. Risotto. Okay. Okay.
And I will introduce how to eat triangle gimbap.
Yeah.
First,
Oh, we have methods. First, lay down. Oh, there is a mark like first. Okay. Then
and pull this. Number 2.
okay, pull this.
Change.
Ah!
Oh my god, you're
Ah.
loser, I'm winner. But today we don't need this. So, I will.
I want to eat.
Oh.
Oh, sorry. Oops. Only this seaweed?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, this is red because it's kimchi. 삼각김밥 seaweed tastes quite different other games.
So, and then put this in
Okay.
the bottle.
Okay.
Hold on. Oh, wait a minute. First,
How about cheese?
yeah.
Actually, I don't like cheese.
Oh, really?
But I can eat.
Oh, no.
Oh.
shoe.
Oh my god. When you go Seoul combination store, you can
get more
yeah,
things. Like
because Seoul is big city, and yeah, you know,
Dongche is quite small city.
you must use microwave.
Almost convenience store food use microwave.
Yeah. All convenience store has microwave and hot water.
So we can eat ramen, doshirak, fruit box, and so on. First oil is banana milk. Good. Banana milk is very good. It's quite hard.
Really? Because it's chicken.
Because we don't use microwave. That's okay. It's good.
Delicious.
Yeah. Didn't look for this food, but it was quite good. If I'm hungry, I will use convenience store after.
Impression, not good impression, convenience store food.
Korean convenience store! Yeah!